Here I've got OnePlus 60, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device, which will enable you to open the hidden modes and see some secret info about your device, about your OnePlus 60. So at first open the phone dialer, and then let's go to test menu. So let's enter the first code, which is *pound 808 pound. Now you have to confirm that you want to enter this mode, and as you can see now, you can see the assembly test projects. You can test your device. So for example, you can make a fingerprint test, keyboard test, touchscreen test, and all the other OTG tests, and for example G-sensor test. So if you have any doubts if something is working okay or not, if it's for example the application, the screen, or your device, you can check it here. You can also let's go back. You can also check the camera. As you can see, there are another tests. Let's go back, media, and many other, for example, Wi-Fi test, GPS test, and all the other communication, call test, for example. And let's go back to the last and the others. So here are some others tests that were not included in the previous options. So for example, it's software version, church control mode, screen blacklight test, screen always on test, and all the others. So if you have any doubts if your device is working correctly, just open the secret menu and test your phone, and then go to the Google testing mode, which is *pound 4636 pound*. And here you can find some phone information. So let's open the first icon, and here, as you can see, you've got the email number of your device, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service. Also you can run a ping test here. Here is the solution, the resolution. Also you've got the voice call status here, and all the others. As you can see, you can extend the knowledge of your phone in this menu. Then you can open the usage statistics. Here you can see the time which each apps were using. As you can see, here are the notification about last time and also the usage time. Let's go back, and the last option is Wi-Fi information. Here we've got several options. So the first one is Wi-Fi APA, and here you can check disable network, disconnect network, enable network, and the others. Then Wi-Fi configuration. So here you can see the configured networks and Wi-Fi status. So here you have the status of your current Wi-Fi. You can also refresh it, and also run a ping test here. So let's go back. That was the second code. Now we will go to the third one, which will allow us to see all the events from your calendars, all calendars in one place. So let's enter *pound 225 pound*. Oh, sorry, I mistyped it. So 225, not 228. And that's it. Now we are in calendar info. Here you will find all information about the holidays, about the events that are included in your, for example, Gmail account, also in your device, and some other applications that are in here. And then let's open Google Play services. The code is *pound 426 pound*. And here you are in Google Play services. Here you can run a ping test here and check it. You can check connection, disconnection, and also the status and events. So let's go back to the very last code, but very important one. So it's the shortest. It's *pound 06 pound. So this short code enable you to see what your email number is, and actually are, because you have two of them here. So if you have any doubts, you can just enter this short code and easily see what your email number is. So that's it. Enjoy the codes, extend your knowledge about your device, and leave the thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.